Hi friends, let's visit 100% SCT Vedic dragon plot of Valmik sir from Sinnar in Nasik district. Yellowness problem for dragon due to the use of slurry. Nitrogen level increases and elongation occur in the plot. Dragon is a mountain crop. Lets it provide a natural environment. Dragon fruit farming require a less water application. If there is excess water, it creates a problem. 2 years dragon plot completely use of SCT Vedic technology from plantation. Cow dung manure causes the problem of white grub. So they stop use of cow dung manure and now they only use Krushi Amrut and RNPH basal dose. There is no need of crop cover. Instead, farmer must invest that money in nutrition. For basal dose application from plantation, no use of chemical at all. Sir use 60 bag of Krushi Amrut plus 6 kg RNPH each for per acre dragon. Increase the organic matter, organic carbon of soil. Then the bacterial count will increase automatically. White root is active. Don't use slurry. Growth of unwanted bacteria takes place because of slurry. It increases the nitrogen level. Sucking pest attack also take place. LSQ treatment increases the immunity level in the plant. Organic carbon increases the quality, shiny, and there is no water content in the production. So friends, if you want the detailed information about the Vedic farming, contact us. Thank you friends.